Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in a way you didn't realize search works. Most cases when we search things, they kind of customize to our previous searches, to our location, to, kind of some data which Google picks up from what you usually actually do. We are going to search without personalization. It's something which most people have never actually heard of, and yet actually use Google every day. Why do you actually have to search without personalization? I'm going to show you what I mean by without personalization, and believe me, it's non-technical. You may be an SEO expert, and let me show you something. When I search about website design in Uganda, let me do website design. I'm a website developer. My website comes first. But actually, this is not true if other people search the same keyword that I searched. Now, Google presents me this website because it's actually my website. I've used it a lot. And also, you know, it assumes when I search website design, probably I want to go to my website. Yet, actually, sometimes I may want to know who are my competitors and all that stuff. So it's a same even you may not really be having a website yourself, but you want to get results which are not biased. Okay, results which are not based on your previous information. The way I'm going to show you, well, when you search without personalization, it's going to help you get results which are not actually biased. The ranking of the results will be primarily be based on the general relevance to the keywords rather than your past behavior, closer to what other people see, not you what you see. Actually, sometimes what you see is different from what others see. So it's kind of crucial to see what others see when they search, okay? Though some factors will still actually be in play. For example, someone searching US slightly will also see something different from someone who's searching in Uganda. But still, this will help you to see kind of results which are kind of what others probably have to see. Okay? Yeah. Now, too, if search without personalization, you may be kind of uncomfortable with the Google tracking your activity to tell your results. Sometimes what they show you are what actually are based on what you usually do research. Sometimes you want to see a broader, more objective set of results, perhaps for research, fact checking, or to avoid being swayed by your own past browsing habits. Okay. Now, also, if you're kind of a person who is HCO, usually owners usually use this way of searching to see how their website rank for different users instead of actually always using your website ranking it. It's not the fact. Okay. So to do this, let me do it on my, okay, actually even have this record website design. Since I come here, I may want to see what others see who have no past search history as me. Okay, what I do is you just have to go down. You go down to what they call try without personalization. You just have to click on this. When you click on try without personalization, you realize actually searches kind of change by the way. Okay. And you realize actually my website may actually not be here for the say, and I may even actually be on the second part. Okay. Let me see if I can be on the second. Oh, that's the third part. Sorry. Second part. Actually, I'm here. So when I have personalization, results are actually different as when I'm searching without personalization. Now, this is when I have personalization, when Google is actually considering my relationship with this website, my past results, my location. So sometimes you just want to see someone random, what will he see when he search this kind of keyword? It's usually important for site owners to search without personalization to see where you lie in Google. Otherwise, you may be seeing your site on the first page when the truth is not there. Or you may actually be seeing results which are saying, but they're kind of based on what you have been searching. So to kind of go out of the cocoon, you try to search without personalization. Others usually use incognito. That is fine. They usually have incognito mode. You can search without incognito mode. Let me actually try this out. When I search this in using incognito, you may actually get similar results, though they're kind of a bit similar, but there's some difference. Okay, still I'll be on the second page. So sometimes incognito works like searching without personalization. Okay, others actually you can try to sign out. It's always better to search when you're signed out. Kind of the results actually differ. For example, when I'm when I'm logged in and I don't have personalization, my website is fast. So let me try to log out. Where do I log out? Okay, let me sign out. So when I sign out, let me continue. When I sign out, you realize actually still the results will be a bit different. So most cases, actually, people are searching when they are signed up, and when you're signing, it kind of actually can see what are your preferences, your previous searches. So it kind of customize the results to depending on your sessions. So it's always actually important to search without personalization if you don't want to log out of your email, or you use incognito, or try to sign out of your email, but it's better actually just search without personalization. Okay. Now, searching without personalization also appears when you're signed in. I realize actually when I'm logged out, I think I don't have actually personalization. Let me do this again. So I really have to make a lot of work to actually come back on the home page. I thought of the fast. Okay. So usually when you're signed in, that personalization is when it comes. Okay. And most people actually are always signed in their browsers. So you can always sign up, sign out, or just click on search without personalization. Okay. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.